Join the American Meteorological Society by becoming a member of the band. The AMS Weather Band is a global community of weather enthusiasts dedicated to learning and sharing their love of science. Visit amsweatherband.org to learn more and join the band today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Friday, the 9th of April. I'm James Spann. More active weather coming up. The chance of strong to severe storms this afternoon, tonight, into tomorrow morning. So a lot to talk about. Let's go. This is the upper air look across the country this morning. And we've got this persistent upper low that's been over the Great Lakes for the past 24 hours, moving northeast. A new trough coming into the Plain States from the northern Rockies. That was the radar this morning at 4:40. Had some convection just off the Gulf Coast. The rest of the state is quiet. Temperatures early this morning, mostly in the 50s. We're expecting a high around 80 today. There's the watch warning map, pretty quiet as the day begins. However, things get active later with thunderstorms from the southern Plain States into the deep south, and you can see that enhanced and moderate risk. Level 3, level 4 for parts of the region. We'll focus on this as we go along. Let's look at the probabilistic outlooks first. This is the tornado probabilities, the chance of a tornado within 25 miles of a given point. We've got that 10% ring over parts of Mississippi and the adjacent states to the west. But this is the main issue. It's wind. You see the hatched area from East Texas, East Oklahoma, down through Alabama. And I think that's going to be the core problem early tomorrow morning, damaging straight line wind. And you can see in the moderate risk area, basically a 50-50 chance of damaging wind within 25 miles of a given point. That's pretty high. In Alabama, we have a level 3 out of 5 enhanced risk, west of a line from Birmingham to Mobile. And the standard slight risk, level 2 out of 5 for most of the rest of the state. And again, this outlook runs through 7 a.m. tomorrow. I know it says Friday the 9th, but a little bit confusing, but that's the way these outlooks work. And then after 7 a.m. tomorrow, we've got a slight risk over much of the state as the line pushes onto the east and south. Here's the larger view tomorrow, a chance of severe storms all the way up to Cleveland with a marginal risk there. And then on day 3, which is Sunday, a marginal risk for the South Atlantic coast and parts of North Florida. A lot of rain coming in here for the next 30 hours. In Alabama, rain amounts could approach 5 inches around Mobile, much of the state between 2 and 4 inches. There could be some flooding issues late tonight or tomorrow morning. So model fans, here we go, the GFS, the 06C run this afternoon. You can see the upper low that's over Wisconsin, new trough coming into the Plain States. And again, this is the synoptic scale look. We have a very unstable, moist air mass, so we'll see scattered storms this afternoon. This is the high-res NAM at 5 o'clock today. Not going to rain everywhere, but where the storms do form this afternoon, they can be fairly strong. Very unstable air across the deep south, but it's going to be much like a summer day. The storms fairly random and scattered, but where they do form, they could produce hail and strong gusty winds this afternoon. But this is the SRH. There's no veering of the wind with altitude, so no tornado threat this afternoon. Now, overnight, things get pretty active. This is 2 a.m., and you can see potential for multiple rounds of storms overnight. So what we're going to do is kind of open up the main focus for severe storms around midnight tonight with multiple waves during the overnight hours into tomorrow morning. Let's go to 7 a.m., and you can see that we've got a line forming moving through West Alabama. And with that line, we could see some potential for strong straight line winds. That's going to be the main concern. This is the STP. The better values for tornadoes would be really south of Interstate 20. There could be a few embedded tornadoes within that line. But again, clearly the main concern, strong damaging straight line winds. So just be sure you can hear warnings late tonight, early tomorrow morning. And then by noon, everything is down in southeast Alabama, approaching Dothan. And the rest of the state in a slot of dry air. The afternoon should be nice with the sun coming back. This is the synoptic scale look tomorrow afternoon. The surface low is north of St. Louis. And again, we're in a nice dry slot. So after a very stormy early morning, tomorrow afternoon should be rain-free. And Sunday should be rain-free. A nice day. The sky's sunny. High Sunday, mid to upper 70s. Monday, we're dry. Highs close to 80, pretty much the same thing Tuesday, although we could see some showers over southwest Alabama. And then Wednesday, we'll have a chance of showers statewide, maybe some thunder. That's not a severe weather look. Highs maybe low 70s. Thursday, back into dry air. And a week from today, Friday the 15th, troughing in the west, troughing up in the northeast, and that looks rain-free. We'll go out 10 days. This is Sunday the 18th, troughing to the north, and evidence of a batch of storms moving out. So at some point that weekend, The 17th or 18th will probably have a round of showers and storms. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean about 3 inches. Some of the members exceed 7 inches, we note. Temperatures, highs maybe around 80 today, and the same thing early next week. And then we cool down, maybe upper 60s by Sunday the 19th. And again, this is interesting. This is the Cpc Outlook for April 16th through the 22nd, suggesting temperatures could be well below average, and that could mean some frosty mornings. I don't think necessarily freezing mornings, but maybe some frosty mornings out there late this month. Again, the old-timers like to call it blackberry winter. And I guess I am an old-timer. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Join the American Meteorological Society by becoming a member of the band. The AMS Weather Band is a global community of weather enthusiasts dedicated to learning and sharing their love of science. Visit amsweatherband.org to learn more and join the band today.